On this tragic occasion, on the sad moment of the demise of the first leader, the first IAS CG of IP India, the first shining star in the darkest sky of IP India, on the sad occasion, sad demise of Mr. P.H. Kurian, I stand before you, grief-stricken, a heart filled with profound grief. A heart leaves a void that cannot be filled in the sand of the time. I remember the poem, "Oh Captain, my Captain, the fearful trip is done. But oh heart, 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 oh the dropping, fearing blood's red, where on the deck my captain laid, cold and dead. Arise, Captain, the bill has rung. Oh Captain, my Captain." I remember the momentous night of 8th March 2009 when Mr. P.H. Kurian arrived as CG for the first time on the deck of IP India. The outgoing CG, Mr. Ravi, and the patent chief, Mr. Dhumane, they said, "Mahapatra, you only have to go to the airport and bring the tiger to the guest house. We will be there in the guest house." I did research on Mr. Kurian. I found to my joy that Mr. Kurian was the IAS of Odisha cadet. Any person who is an IAS officer in Odisha has to know the language of the state, and he has to also speak the language of the grade. I called him, said hello. He said me in Odia. I was pleasantly surprised. I met him in the guest house and brought him. It was 3 a.m. in the night. Next day I brought him to the office. The whole office was full of fear, anxiety, because the reputation of Mr. Kurian as a strict, honest, hard-working man, integrity to the core, as a dynamic person was well known to all of us. Everybody was standing and I was the guiding. I become the popular instantly thanks to my sir. Everybody asked me for guidance, for direction. Then, Rosto, I remember the night I spent, then Mr. Kurian said, "Mahapatra, you are my protocol officer. Be with me always until and unless I leave Mumbai." I said, "Yes, sir. It is my honor. It is a respect I will do to you." I was staying in his house mostly. Then one night, Mr. Kurian falls sick. He was shivering with fever. I brought a mattress and put on his body, and I hold him tight in an arm like a younger brother doing to his elder brother. Later on, Mrs. Usha Kurian, she came to know about this. She said me, "Thanks, Usha madam, I have not seen a pious, genius, God-loving, God-fearing woman like you, and I stand by you in the time of your deep, unspeakable grief, although I am helpless and no human being can bring back a person whose departed soul has departed for heavenly abode." I remember 2009, I reached to his office, said, "Sir, I want to do LLB. I want your permission. Your staff is afraid to put up the file." He said, "Okay, go ahead, do." 20 people followed me and they all took permission to do. Then the fearful exam result came. I was the only one person who passed in all 4 papers of the semester. Everybody else has failed it. They got 80. Kurian said, "Call all of them. How dare you? I signed on your file and you failed." Oh, everybody came, Johnson, Anthony and all scolded. He said, "Mahapatra, when everybody failed, how come you alone passed?" I said, "Sir, the fear. All these people are waiting in the pipeline of promotion. The moment they hold the LLB degree, they will become from examiner to senior examiner. But I am not in hierarchy, sir. Even if I become gold medalist of the university, I will retire what I am. But the day when I retired, sir, I will become a lawyer. Then I will become a lion in the open jungle. And today is the day, thanks to my sir." Friends, time comes, time goes, but what a departure, what a unexpected departure for a person whose glorious head has gone uncountable feathers of accommodation. He was called the Renaissance man of IP India. He brought reforms, he brought renovation, he brought the corruption rooted out. Everything happened on the occasion of his sad demise. I say, he is a true leader never dies. His voice may fall silent, but his values, his vision, his valor will stand erect, highest ever, like a tower house emitting brightest light in the darkest ocean to the directionless travelers like us. May Kurian Sir's noble soul be rest in eternal peace. May his memory remain as a blessing with us, directing us, inspiring new generations for come to all the time to come. Heads up to you. Goodbye to you, Noble Sayal Kurian Sir.